Hello, my name is Brennan, and I wanted to take a few minutes to explain why I think I would be a great asset to your management consulting firm. I've always been diligent and motivated to do excellent work. Even as a preschooler, I was motivated to do great work. I continued to skip kindergarten, graduate early from high school by taking extra classes, and then graduate from the College of Western Idaho with an associate's degree in computer networking and security technology at the age of 18. I always sought to go above and beyond, I was always looking to compete and learn more than the average student. As a high school student, I competed in the Skills USA Idaho State Computer Networking Competition and won a gold medal or first place. I was always looking for other technical competitions such as Cyber Aces and NetRiders and competed in all of them as much as time would allow. I've always sought to compete and hone my skills as a computer networking security advisor. I believe as a management consulting agency member, I will be diligent and effective in bringing your vision into fruition. My vision revolves around personal improvement and self-improvement. Every time I exercise, I'm always seeking to increase my physical fitness and physical health. I love to see my runs get farther. I love to see myself be able to lift more weight and my workouts extend in time and duration. I love to see my mind improve as I read and study and learn new ideas, and as I share those ideas with others. I believe discussion is the best way to come to the right conclusion, and as a management consulting agency, we will have discussions and discover what ideas are most effective in solving the problems of the companies that we consult with. I believe I would be a perfect candidate for your management consulting firm because of my diligence and technical ability. I look forward to hearing your response.